a very fluffy material. I am Christmas Santa shopping, and I do not know what to buy, but I just have one day left Christmas. I got myself these 3D glasses, and this is my ticket. The glasses are 8,000. And I am watching Wicked for Good. Caramel popcorn. Can't wait.
Sabuni una chimala the everyday
couldn't be happier, right dear, couldn't be happier. There's no place like home.
Run.
Hi guys, welcome back. Anyway guys, so I've been shopping today and I have a lot of packages to unpack with you. Mainly these are gifts for Christmas for my family, and then I have packages that came in today, my wigs. So I'm going to be unpacking them with you guys, plus the gifts and some of the things that I got from Chinatown. So starting off with this, I got this gift. This is a gift for my sister. I got her table lamp. By the time this video is uploaded, she will have received this gift. I love you so much, my sister. So it comes with the lamp. Ooh. And then this is the stand, and guys, it's so cute. It comes with this plug, so I think this is where the lamp goes, and then this is its top. Oh, I think I needed to put the lamp first. I want to test this lamp out to see its beauty. So the lamp goes in the middle. See how cute it is. I hope I don't break this. See how cute this lamp is. I really loved it. It's a ceramic lamp. It's really cute. I admired it and I had to get it. And then I also got for her this. This is a set. It has diffuser and the candle. It's so cute and this smells so divine. So these scents are Ocean Sea Wave, and this is a candle. And then for myself, I got myself this light. I didn't test it out. I hope it actually works because I didn't test it, and you know. So this light, This is portable light. I'll just need to stick this to my phone. So it comes with this, and you just have to put this here, right? Yeah, you have to put this here. So you tighten that and then clip this onto your phone, and then it's pretty good. So it says you can increase the light and decrease it. So this is its maximum. I can't wait to use it. You can also decrease the light. Then, oh yeah, these, I went for a movie earlier before I went shopping, so I had got these 3D glasses. I watched Wicked for Good. It wasn't that interesting for me. Anyway, it wasn't so interesting, but it's just 50. It wasn't that interesting. Then I got some detergent, and I got this cute key holder. So pretty, guys. I got this for my mom. This is a carpet. I'm gonna show you. It's so pretty. This is a bedroom bedside carpet. I think I should lay it down so you guys see its size and its beauty. I don't need to lay it down, but yeah, this, I got this for a bedside. It has a very fluffy material. It's so comfortable, guys. So these are curly wigs. So I ordered these in 14 and 16 inches. So these are the curls. These are Waterwave wigs. This is 14 inches. So this is the 14 and this is the 16. They are ear to ear. Guys, the hair is very soft. It's extremely soft. And I got a bunch of wig caps. Thank you so much to the seller. So these are Fringe wigs. They are brown in color. They have highlights. I had these in my previous video too, and these sold out like crazy. So these are the highlights, and they are Waterwave wigs. They are very soft. They have a fringe, and I remember ordering 4 of these, so I'm guessing the other 2 are somewhere there. I'm guessing this is the second pack of the same wig, because I ordered for 4 of them and there were just 2 in the other pack. Yeah, same thing. They are fringe wigs too. These are 26 inches straight wigs. They are brown in color. I wish I would try these on, but I really can't because I have braids on. But yeah, the hair is very soft. It is it has no smell. Wait, okay, that can be worked on. It doesn't have a bad smell, but I almost choked. So yeah, they are all 26 inches, brown in color. They have an ear-to-ear lace, and they come a bit pre-plucked at the hairline, as you can see. So yeah, wow, these are all gifts for me. They are wig caps, eyelashes, and some tape. So these are all Bodywave wigs, black in color. Wow, wow, guys, can you imagine how soft this hair is? And it's full. They are so lovely. So these are 26 inches Bodywave wigs. I wish I would try these on, but I can't. I have braids on, but yeah, you get the picture. So I ordered 7 of these, and yeah guys, literally the hair is very soft. It's human hair and it's very affordable. Hi guys, anyway, it is officially 29th of December and I'm just leaving home. I'm heading to Kampala. Hi guys, another day in the vlog, and today I am doing wheel balancing and alignment. I am currently at pretty tired. Actually this has been long overdue because this was paid for 7th November until today. I'm so hungry. I've literally crushed all my food. So guys, after all that mechanicking, the car is so dirty and it's such a rainy season. So I had to take this to the car wash. Well, actually this is at home, but they're washing it, the caretaker. And meanwhile, I am watching Bougie Space on YouTube. I'm not sure where to spend my 31st. Today is actually 31st of December 2025, and I woke up early, made some deliveries, and I still have some orders to pack. Well, this order is going out to Mukono, and then yeah, I'll see how to spend my evening. I'm already hungry. I'm just having a mango. And guys, my door refused to open. My padlock, I mean. Like, I left this padlock at the balcony door, and I want to plant some plants that I got from home, but the key cannot enter yet. This is the key for this lock. This is the second time a padlock is failing to open on this door, and I'm thinking I should just stop locking this door. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. No, it's actually Happy New Year. So I decided to come to Sheraton and watch some fireworks. It is officially 31st and we have 20 minutes to start the new year 2026. I am currently at Sheraton. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait to watch these fireworks. The place is so beautiful, guys. I just want to show you guys my dress. I hope my phone doesn't fall. But yeah, this is my dress. Can you guys see? I don't think so, but it's from Shein. And these are my shoes. So guys, that's how I spent my 31st. I was at Sheraton. I had so much fun by myself. Thank you guys for sticking with me from the start till the end of 2025. I wish you all the best and we hope for the best in 2026. Happy New Year, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.